so strange, Sameer. I kind of loved the attention she gave me. Like, I got really excited.
So why are you scandalized about it? See, we know attraction is not restricted to any gender. We know that. Baba Sameer की बात मानो to get ready for the idea that you might be bisexual.
You think I'm bisexual?
I don't know. You have to figure it out. But tell me one thing. Are you really against the idea of being with a woman?
No, I mean, I don't really care. And it's not about the gender, it's about the person. I know that. And she's quite something as a person, you know. Like, मैं कितना भी try करूँ, मैं उस incident को अपने दिमाग से निकाल ही नहीं पा रही यार. It's very new and exciting.
Sanya, you know that I've lived a very no-regret life. And you know that. My suggestion would be the same. Figure it out.
You know the problem ना समीर. मैं जहाँ से आई हूँ ना, वहाँ पे मैं ये आइडिया एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करेंगे यार. मैं उनको बोलूँगी, वो बोलेंगे ये क्या है, प्रॉब्लम हो गई तुमको बेटा, सब ठीक हो जाएगा. एंड कपूर एंड सन्स आई थी जब, पता है, everyone loved फवाद खान. You know why?
I know why.
But my father got up before the climax and left the hall. वो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करेंगे यार.
अबे तू एक बात नहीं समझ रही है. पकड़ कि तू घर से 1200 किलोमीटर दूर है. यहाँ कौन देखेगा तुझे? एंड ऑल्सो जब तक तू एक्सपीरियंस नहीं करेगी क्लैरिटी कैसे मिलेगी? हाँ चल, हैव अ मीटिंग. बाय.
Bye. It's strange how we keep ourselves from exploring our own sexuality. एक हफ्ते से I've been talking to this amazing girl Diksha on Tinder. And anytime I talk to her na, I change nothing. I'm exactly like this myself. And she really appreciates it. आज हमारी first date है. और फिर से वही वाली बेचैनी हो रही है, you know, that board exam result वाली. Attraction तो है, for sure. But आज से I'll have to admit to everyone that I'm bisexual. I'm bisexual. I'm bisexual. 2020 हो गया है यार, but ये क्या stupid stereotypes तो हैं भी नहीं अब दुनिया में. मेरा दिमाग ये पता नहीं क्यों अटका हुआ है इसमें. किसी को पता चल गया ना कि मेरे दिमाग में क्या लेम ख्याल आता है, बहुत जज करेंगे. समीर वैसे ठीक ही कहता है. कोई भी सिचुएशन होने से पहले ही ना मैं ओवरथिंक कर करके पागल हो जाती हूँ. और वैसे भी अभी नहीं तो कब, राइट? She's not here yet, but I'm kind of freaking out. फट रही है मेरी. I kind of don't know how to just be in my body, you know, like I don't know how to act, I don't know how to sit, I don't know how to smile. I think I'm forgetting how to talk. I just don't want to end up doing something really stupid, you know. I really like her. Let's see. You're looking really beautiful.
You look really surprised, Sanya.
No,
You were expecting something else.
No. You are exactly what I was expecting. Okay, I just need to come out and say this. I'm very nervous. I have not slept at all last night, not even for a second. I'm sweating profusely. I have already eaten a muffin before this. This is my second. And it's very new for me. And
Okay.
I mean,
Just relax, Sanya.
I don't wanna be lonely when winter is freezing and
I'm sorry to unload.
No, this is just two people who find each other very attractive talking. Yeah?
Okay.
And I hope we can figure this out together. So just be yourself.
Cool.
तुम्हें देख के मुझे palpitations हो
I'm
रहे हैं.
sorry. I'm really sorry about
You
that.
don't need to be sorry.
Cool.
Cool. So, what do you have?
I guess another muffin after this. I mean, no stopping after.
just picked your name on the coffee cup. But there's talk of luck, the guy just messed up and game. A dark cappuccino is what matters me. The way you came toward me, dragging your feet, and I just smiled at you. When the silver of these winter nights is shining in drops of ice, and I crawl into my bed, and the clouds won't help me, but at least we keep the voice down. Those voices inside my head. Watching the sky.
How did I get here? My life has taken a complete U-turn, and I thought it's gonna shake things up forever. It has shaken things up, but for the better, I guess. I mean, Diksha is everything I needed her to be. She's calm, she's patient, she's beautiful, she's so hot, right? I wake up every day and I just look forward to hanging out with her. She's just awesome. And even though we're platonic right now, there's a charm in taking things slow, you know. I just love being with her. I just love watching her read her books. And, you know, even Sameer says that ever since I found her, I've grown. And honestly, I agree.
Sanya, ye suno. Murakami writes, if she did experience sex or something close to it in high school, I'm sure it would have been less out of sexual desire or love than literary curiosity.
Interesting.
है ना?
Any specific reason you've read this out to me just now?
Well, curiosity काफी interesting aspect है नहीं?
है तो.
है ना? क्या सोच रही हो तुम?
तुम्हारे बारे में सोच रही हूँ. I mean, it's hard to say to your face because it's lame and I'm not this person, but I've been meaning to thank you for just being who you are. You're too good.
And I like that too.
Yes. Now
And I'm
please-
not going anywhere.
Yes, just read Murakami, please. Tell me more about sex.
I will.
What is sex like?
Let's have coffee in your room.
Yeah. I think it's time to have coffee in my room.
अरे यार मतलब no sleep tonight, huh? What's up?
थोड़ा nervous हूँ.
Listen, if you're not comfortable, we don't need to do anything. fine.
Diksha, I'm very sorry, but I don't think I'm ready for this today. I mean, I want to do it, but I keep thinking about my parents and how everyone will react in Ranchi, and my feelings for you are very new, you know, and I'm still trying to figure out my attraction towards you, and I just don't want to jump into anything and like upset you.
No, just okay. Come here. Just calm down, okay? Just relax. Look, we don't need to rush into anything, okay? We just see how it goes. And for now, we can just order something nice to eat.
Okay?
Okay?
Yeah. Thank you.
अच्छा बताओ क्या खाओगी?
Wait, I think Akshita also wants some food, so
Oh.
I'll just ask her.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool. Akshita, what will you have for... Akshita? Akshita? Akshita, what happened? Akshita? Akshita? Wake up! What are you?
Where is she?
She's in her room right now.
तो ठीक है?
Yeah, I mean, no, don't know.
Where's Diksha?
She left. I found her passed out on the floor, man. दो bottle vodka खत्म किया है उसने कल. And the room still reeks of smoke.
This is not good.
What the fuck did I do? How did I not see this? I live with her. Am I so fucking self-absorbed that I can't see a friend going through shit?
Relax. This is not because of you. Right now she doesn't need this. She needs a friend. समझ रही है? So relax. अंदर चलते हैं. उससे पूछते क्या हुआ. ठीक है? You calm down, please. चल.
Fuck.
चल, कोई बात नहीं. अक्षिता.
Thanks.
You okay?
Guys, I'm so sorry. I am so sorry for freaking you out like this. I really don't want you to get dragged into my mess.
यार तू क्यों sorry बोल रही है? We're freaking out because we've never seen you like this before. What happened yesterday? क्या किया?
Calm down.
Okay. Please शुरू से बता क्या हुआ? Is this about your boyfriend?
Sanya, it's with... Listen, firstly, you guys must know that I really love him. Okay, and I tried. Okay, I tried so hard to be the perfect girl for him, but I don't know how to explain it to you. You know, I changed the way I talk, I changed the way I dress, I changed the way I walk. I changed like the fucking music I listen to. I started fucking listening to EDM. Can you believe it? Yeah. For the past few months, we were going through a rough patch. We started fighting. God, we were fighting over everything. We were fighting at stupid fucking reasons, and I didn't know what was wrong. You know, when I first met him, we were just perfect. He was so perfect, and I thought we were so perfect. But then, you know, one day,
I'm so sorry I wasn't there for you. I'm so sorry. If that jerk can't see what an amazing, beautiful, talented, smart, unique girl you are, then he doesn't deserve you.
I know that I drank too much. I shouldn't have had too much, but I just I didn't know what to do and I just wanted to forget everything.
Look, we've all done fucked up shit, okay? Look at me. We've done this shit. And alcohol does never solve any problem. It just doesn't. But talking to your friends will, right? And we are here for you.
Guys, I'm so sorry. So sorry.
If he can't see what he's lost, then he's an idiot, you know that, right? And you are your own priority, okay?
Yes. I think absolutely. Let's get her out of this mess. Come on. Chalo. Let's go out. Have some water.
रो तू मुझे देख, रांची में जब मैं थी ना तब मुझे लगता था कि अंशुल के बिना मेरी कोई लाइफ ही नहीं है, और उसकी परफेक्टली डिजाइन दुनिया में, उसके मिष्ठान भंडार में मैं ढूंढ रही थी अपने आप को, और मैं पागल हो रही थी. Actually, my life started after we broke up. And honestly, I still don't know who I am. But I'm happy trying to figure it out. And I feel like you should too. और तू खुद ही बोलती है ना कि when your heart knows what's right for it, you should just go for it. So you just go for it.
I'm so glad you're here, Sanya. मैं क्या करूँ यार?
Stress मत ले. Akshita, I know how exhausting and daunting it is to move on. Trust me. But you owe yourself this healing, you know. And वैसे भी तो खुद सोच, तो खुश थी क्या उस loser के साथ? You are like 1,00,000 billion times better than he ever could be. I'm too glad that you have broken up with him because you needed to cut him out of your life. और उसकी दाढ़ी
Bro, losing a plot a little.
a little bit. Okay, but you know what I mean, right? Trust me, okay, maybe not him, but I will find you someone just like you. No, maybe not just like you, but like appreciates you and loves you and likes your personality and doesn't want to change you. Don't be sad, please.
You know, the worst part is that in the midst of all this madness, I just lost myself. And like, the kind of person that I am and what I stand for, and that was just so fucked up.
It's okay. We are here to help you. You're not alone in this. अरे why are you so stressed? समीर बाबा का वरदान टिंडर है ना हमारे पास फन और एक्सप्लोरेशन के लिए.
No, you guys are serious.
Of
Yes, शुभ काम
Come
मेरी
on.
है. बाबा,
Would ask her how amazing it is.
give it बाबा,
No,
give
yeah.
it. Just ये देख.
Oh God.
समंदर है भाई यहाँ पे, कमी नहीं है लोगों की. क्यूट है. क्यूट है ना?
Honest.
अच्छा लेफ्ट कर दो. ये बॉडी बहुत वियर्ड है इसकी.
यार ये what है? ये करेगा डेट मुझे?
He's cute है.
ये मेरा प्रोफाइल है. वो मुझे डेट करेगा.
गलत घर. निकाल ले कभी गटर से दिमाग अपना. एक ही बात नहीं बार-बार हो पाएगी आपसे.
But on a serious note, you're painting. She was painting with hands and everything.
You saw it? It is amazing, right?
With her
Tell that to my fucking client. He called off the deal